A recent occurrence has sent shockwaves across the cryptocurrency world, causing widespread worry, particularly among Shiba Inu owners. Some people are even leaving forever. What if, however, a brilliant opportunity is lurking behind all this mayhem? Although most people are rushing away in terror, others may regard this as the turning point in their lives. Allow me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. For Shiba Inu, it seems like the worst-case scenario is playing out right now. Not everything is going according to plan with Shiba Inu and its market success. Shiba Inu has been falling behind Dogecoin, its meme currency competitor, according to some recent data from Sentiment. Its trading results over the last 30 days have been somewhat lower, even though it may not seem concerning at first look. After all, the 30-day average is just down around 1%. The larger picture seems to be somewhat more worrisome. Shiba Inu returns have fallen dramatically over the long run, more than 31%. Some serious concerns are brought up by the disparity between short-term and long-term performance. Is the Shiba Inu squad only biding their time till something happens before taking action? Alternatively, may this protracted recession be due to something more fundamental? Based on these figures, it's clear that Shiba Inu is encountering difficulties on its path to a huge return, and the market is beginning to feel the pinch. However, should this be taken into account as a matter that warrants concern? According to Sentiment, the token is now in a good position to make a comeback if Bitcoin levels out and alternatives acquire traction. Whatever the case may be, they are still major blows that the token will never recover from. How come this is taking place? Actually, Shiba Inu hasn't had much luck recently, and it's not just about sales figures. What's going on in the community is also connected to them. In the year 2024, there has been a substantial decline in the amount of social activities centered on Shiba Inu. A significant indication of dwindling interest is the fact that discussions around the currency have reached fresh lows since late July. Is becoming more frustrating for traders. Smaller retail investors who were formerly passionate about Shiba Inu have begun to fade away as the excitement surrounding them has dissipated. Because of this change, interest in and trust in the currency have waned, and there has been less buzz and less debate about it. Reduced community participation is making Shiba Inu's already poor market situation much worse. Therefore, these changes in social dynamics and investor sentiment may be seen as directly related to the issue of why this is occurring. However, what is the final outcome going to be? Is this the last straw for the Shiba Inu? The Shiba Inu incident may not be the end of the token's life, however. Despite the gravity of the situation, there is still room for optimism. Shiba Inu, according to several crypto experts, has a better chance of recovering than meme currencies like Dogecoin. The investment environment for Shiba Inu has reportedly changed recently. Individuals engaging in retail trading, a sense of relief has been evident among those holding lesser amounts. There is currently a lower proportion of wallets in circulation that contain less than 1 billion Shiba Inu. Many smaller holdings have left the market, since this is the lowest level since November 2022. Those with enormous wallets, defined as more than 1 billion Shiba Inu, are now in the driver's seat. Sentiment notes that the Shiba Inu environment is being affected by a great deal of dread, uncertainty, and doubt, which is reflected in this change. A fresh story has appeared concerning a big security breach. That's correct. Just when we thought things couldn't get worse, more terrible news for Shiba Inu emerged. According to Slowmist, a blockchain security startup, Shiba Inu's problems seem to be growing exponentially. A significant security compromise has affected the Indodax exchange, the biggest and oldest exchange in Indonesia. A large portion of Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies, valued at $22 million, were stolen in this incident. Even more bad news for the Shiba Inu token, a hacker got off with 9 billion of them. Its road to recovery is already paved with obstacles, and this only makes things worse. There has been some fresh information that further complicates matters after the huge security incident. Look on Chain, an analytics tool, reports that the thief has transferred the majority of the stolen cryptocurrency into Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are more stable assets. This effectively removes the hacker from control of the 9 billion Shiba Inu tokens that were taken from Indodax. Fortunately, the Shiba Inu pricing remained unaffected, which is a pleasant surprise. The initial market effect may not be as bad as anticipated due to the conversion of the stolen Shiba Inu tokens away from the token itself. With fewer tokens entering the market and continuous improvements to security procedures, Shiba Inu's long-term prospects are still in play, even if the security failure is a wake-up call for the crypto community. Prevent financial loss. Hope. By any stretch of the imagination, this is far from the end for Shiba Inu. The future of Shiba Inu is still bright, and these latest developments may represent their greatest chance in a long time. Lola, a crypto specialist, recently said that now would be a great time to purchase millions of Shiba Inu coins at the discounted pricing. Lola compares the current opportunity to get rich with Shiba Inu to the pre-market days of Dogecoin, when its value was much lower. While Lola acknowledges that low-priced Dogecoin was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, she claims that Shiba Inu currently offers a comparable possibility. Even if the recent losses and volatility seem disheartening, they are only a part of the bigger picture in the cryptocurrency market. If you invest in Shiba Inu tokens today, you may be able to reap substantial rewards during the next market upturn, according to the theory. The Shiba Inu may be going through a tough time right now, but according to one expert, it isn't the end of the road. On the contrary, it might only be paving the way for a possible improvement. While the current upheaval is certainly noteworthy, it may be better seen as a temporary setback than cause for pessimism. The argument goes that Shiba Inu would be a superior investment right now because to its cheaper price, even if both Shiba Inu and Doge would need massive price increases to become millionaires. Those who are hopeful about the next great bull run may choose to consider Shiba Inu, according to Lola's research, despite the current volatility. Despite the recent disappointments, there may be a major reversal on the horizon, according to recent sources, which adds to the increasing confidence. More promising yet is the increase in trade activity that occurred today. Do you recall that we said how the activity level has significantly decreased? It seems like things have taken a dramatic turn only today. The amount of trades involving Shiba Inu increased by 69%, hitting $298 million in the last 24 hours. This uptick in activity suggests that investors are getting back into the Shiba Inu market, purchasing the breed at a discount in the hopes of making a profit in the road. Further evidence of resurgence in interest is the 6% gain in Shiba Inu's market worth, which now stands at about $9 billion. The recent boost in trade and market value indicates that investors are becoming more confident despite the problems. They are likely seeing the present decline as an opportunity, and the resurgence of trade activity might soon provide the groundwork for a more substantial recovery for Shiba Inu. However, these new developments suggest that things may be beginning to improve, despite the fact that there has been a great deal of instability. A more major recovery may be on the horizon, as shown by the increasing trade activity and minor price comeback. For what reason, however, are they now purchasing? Well, Lucy just offered a thought-provoking perspective on the impact of the months on the cryptocurrency market, explaining why certain dips and movements may occur. This tweet claims that the cryptocurrency market takes on a different tone every month, yet the month of September, sometimes known as Rectember, is infamous for wreaking havoc on both aspirations and investment portfolios. It seems that the trend for this month is in line with the recent upheaval that Shiba Inus have gone through. September has a history of major failures, and the recent precipitous drops in market problems may be a part of that pattern. The cyclical character of the cryptocurrency market includes such trends, therefore it's important to keep that in mind despite the difficulties. The next several months hold the promise of fresh chances, such as October, which might provide a much-needed lift. The Shiba Inu's popularity peaked in October, lest we forget. Although the volatility in September may seem insurmountable, it is really just a phase of the crypto calendar, and past performance suggests that more favorable conditions may be on the corner. Keep in mind that volatile markets are par for the course in the cryptocurrency industry, and that September's past trends indicate that further declines are likely. However, how do you feel about that? Drop a comment. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts on the matter. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.